Hey guys, it is Brittany Winery with the Woolett Group at Keller Williams Realty. I am out here in Owasso, Oklahoma, which is my hometown and near and dear to my heart. Let's take a walking tour of this amazing home behind me. So as I turn around here, you're gonna notice this home is a single story, super cute home, and we're located right off of Main Street in Owasso. And as you know, Owasso's Redbud District is booming. So we've got Smoke and Mad Eats and Bless Your Heart Boutique and all of these great shops. And so you're literally just a walking distance to those. Let's walk on up here. You'll see some really cute details like the house numbers built into the concrete. We've also got this super cute porch. So cute. Let's head on inside and take a peek at the actual home. So as we come inside, the first thing you're gonna notice is these beautiful original hardwood floors. And also the amount of natural light is just so crazy. It's so pretty in here. So we've got a really open living, dining, and kitchen concept. Turn around here so you can see the other side of the living room. We've got all new windows throughout the entire home, as well as a new front door, storm door and original door. Then off the kitchen, we've got these beautiful glass back patio doors that have the built-in blinds. Super open. And then the kitchen. So they've done new paint everywhere. Also new countertops that are absolutely adorable. So pretty. Then we've got the garage access. Let's go check out the bedroom. So there's 3 bedrooms, 1 full bath. Here is the full bath with new white subway tile. Super cute. Has all the cute built-ins, huge mirror, more cute built-ins. And then we come to the first bedroom. So all of the bedrooms have great size closets. We've got some can lights in the ceiling for extra lighting. Really cute and functional. Then we've got the second bedroom. Again, lots of natural light. Got 2 windows in here, as well as a closet. And then we've got the master bedroom. So another great size closet. 2 awesome windows. Those beautiful hardwood floors. And all the cute original details of this home. And then let's take a sneak peek at the backyard because it is it's a very big backyard. So as we peek out here, you can see there is a massive backyard. So cute. Lots of space, built-in storm shelter. Also a cute little deck. So for more information on this super cute home located in Owasso, contact the Woolett Group.